Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix photo mod not showing on TikTok. So you guys have to simply fix it. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. In order to fix, you guys have to simply open up your phone settings first. So after opening up your phone settings, you guys have to simply update your device. Or so if you want to update your device software, you guys have to simply search for update, and you guys have to simply update the system by just tapping on system updates, and you guys have to simply update it. The user interface might be different, but you guys have to simply update the system. So after updating the system, you guys have to simply go to Play Store and search for TikTok. So after searching for TikTok, you guys have to simply open it and tap on the update button. If there is any update available, you guys have to simply install it. So after completely installing the update, you guys have to simply open up TikTok application. So here you guys can see it is updating, and we will open the TikTok after update. So guys, you guys can see our TikTok has been updated. Now you guys have to simply open it, and after opening it, you guys have to simply tap on the plus icon. So after tapping on the plus icon, it will redirect you to this camera section, and you guys have to simply swipe right to the photo mod. And in the photo mod, you guys can be able to see it is redirect you to this section, and you guys have to simply tap on the upload button. And after tapping on upload button, you guys have to simply select any of the photos which you want to use and click on next. And in this way you guys can use the TikTok photo mod easily. And I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.